David, if I didn't know better, I would say we are in Mayberry, but we are actually in the heart of the Heights. What's happening?
Yeah, just down the street from the Country Club here in Little Rock, right over by all the restaurants, shopping, dining, everything that the Heights has to offer. We're at 5308 Country Club Boulevard in Little Rock. Upcoming auction Wednesday, June 25th. And let's go inside and take a look.
Look at the outside facade of this. I mean, it is built for royalty.
Right. 1930s Tudor style home, beautiful architecture in a quaint setting right here. Just a gorgeous neighborhood.
And did I mention we're in the Heights?
Yeah, exactly. Here we go.
Where everybody wants to be.
Yep.
Okay, David, we've moved inside to what is really kind of the crown jewel of this house. Tell me where we're at.
Right, so inside the house here in the sunroom, this is everybody that I showed, this is their favorite part of the house. Beautiful, natural light, great spot to have coffee in the morning. Got a nice view of the neighborhood right here. It's just a beautiful spot and so warm and just, it's relaxing. So it's a beautiful spot.
That's exactly what it is about this house. It has all these charming features that you can't otherwise get in some of these newer properties. What else are some of the highlights?
Sure, this house was built in 1930, Tudor style home. And like you said, all these little nooks and crannies and things that you're like, man, it's so neat. And you don't see them in today's construction. So beautiful house. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. There is an upstairs where one of the bathrooms is located. The back part of the property is where the master bedroom is with the bathroom there. All appliances, new appliances in the kitchen, dining room, and a nice fireplace in the den. So a couple spots that you can read a book, you can have a fire, you can enjoy all of this property. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, the word cozy comes to mind every time I turn a corner here. But one of the things that really stands out to me is the kitchen. You know, everybody loves a great kitchen. And sometimes when you're buying an older property, you sacrifice the kitchen. This kitchen is spectacular.
Right, nice kitchen, all new appliances in there. You got GE profile appliances, granite countertops, and a beautiful workspace for you to get your dinner or lunch ready, and then, or you can run down the street to all the restaurants in the Heights or head over to the Country Club.
Yeah, I mean, folks at home, you got to see it to believe it when you come inside. But of course, this property is all about the location.
Right.
I mean, this is incredibly hot property. So David, why do people want to buy and sell through the auction?
Right, and that's the key. The sellers choose the auction method because we get to tell the general public, hey, you can buy this beautiful home if you show up on auction day, you deposit non-refundable earnest money, you buy it as is, where is, close within 30 days, and you outbid all the other bidders that are there on the grounds or on the phone or bidding online. And so for our sellers, they get to set the terms of the transaction. They get to know when they're gonna move, what their next chapter is, when that's going to happen. So it really puts a lot of control in the seller's pocket, and that's what they want. The sellers wanna know, hey, when is this gonna happen? And when am I gonna close? And when can I move to Dallas or move to Fayetteville or whatever your next chapter is?
Yeah, sellers, pay attention because this is really the way to go. It's the no waiting game. You are in the driver's seat of selling your property, and Wilson Auctioneers, of course, makes that so simple. You've got other auctions coming up, yes?
A lot of auctions. We've got a lot of acreage. So in July, we've got several different farms that we're selling. We got a farm in Morrilton, got a farm in Conway. We've got another lake house on Lake Hamilton coming up. Lots of properties scattered all over Arkansas. So go to wilsonauctioneers.com. You can see all of those different properties, get tours. But I will tell you, things are moving quickly at the auction block. We got offers coming in on multiple different properties. So if you're interested, you see it on our website, call us, schedule, an inspection, come look at the property and make your offer because it may not make it to auction day.
Yeah, and this property in particular, well, David, I'd like to go take a second look. Would you mind?
Let's go take a look around. Absolutely.
All right, let's do it. David, what an incredible tour and a great property. It's all about the location. How about we go and walk for lunch?
Absolutely. Let's
Okay,
take off.
Let's go over to Cheers. How's that sound?
Perfect.
Okay, well, let's invite everybody out to the auction again.
Auction's coming up. We've got it on June 25th, 11 a.m. Go to wilsonauctioneers.com. You can pre-register and be ready and get all the notifications for that upcoming auction.
And come be part of the dream in the Heights.